Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp broadcast list. Have you ever wanted to send a message to multiple contacts on WhatsApp without creating a group chat? Well, you are in luck. I will show you how to create a broadcast list on your WhatsApp. First of all, just open the WhatsApp application. Now tap on these three dots in the top right corner and select this new broadcast. Select the contacts you want to add to your broadcast list. You can search for them by name or scroll through your contact list. Once you have chosen your recipients, tap on this checkmark icon. Now you can give your broadcast list a name by tapping on these three dots at the upper right corner. Then tap on this broadcast list info. Then again tap on these three dots and tap on this change broadcast list name. Now you can name here anything like whatever you want. Tap on this OK. Now your broadcast list is created. You can start composing your message and send it out all the recipients on the list. They will receive your message individually, just like a regular message, but won't see the other recipients on the list. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.